of a Christian on non-believers, vice versa.
Influence is the something or someone has effects, emotional behavior that can affect someone else's character.
A lot of people out there, they will say that yes, Christians nowadays have less of an influence on the people outside.
That's because we tend to follow trends, and especially fashion, music, dance. You want to be in trend.
We don't just get influenced by people, we get influenced by objects as well.
What can we do as Christians?
Without the Holy Spirit, you can't do it. You can't do the work.
If the non-believer does not see Christ's behavior
I'm gonna
in you,
back you on
But
that.
I'm saying, it's practice.
So I think
It's not always going to come all of a sudden one time, and then you're comfortable.
I know.
How did you?
But you don't.
How do you make it
You don't need to no, you don't need. I'm not judging. But if you see someone's behavior that is not correct,
That's what I'm saying. How do you know what's correct, what's not correct?
Okay. I know.
we need to rely on the example of Jesus being tempted by the devil. It takes a lot of strength.
It comes with knowledge. As youths, we need to stick. Not just me. I'm talking about like everyone in general. Like we need to stick to God's will. That's what I was talking about, the fruit of the Spirit. When you're a Christian, it's going to show. And then that's how you're going to influence one another. There's a lot of people that believe
Yeah.
that God is our Savior. Made the right choice to just stick to it.